Hello guys, this is Bhavna Kumar and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is an art video. So in my last video, which was about 30 patterns of Mandala, if you haven't watched that video, make sure you go and watch. I'll put the link above here and in the description box. So in that video, one of the comment I got was, can you draw a full mandala using fine liners pen? So today's video is about that. Today I'm gonna draw a mandala using a fine liner pen. I'm using the Sakura Micron Pen of 0.2 and I'm gonna draw in this. This is the Oxford sketchbook of sizes 5x8. This book I actually bought from Itsy Bitsy. I really like this size because it's very travel friendly and drawing a small mandala, but I'm drawing a detailed one. I cannot draw a full mandala, then it will take a long time for you. Also, I got a comment where a boy asked me, I am a boy, I want to draw mandala, but is it mandala for boys? I am interested. So I want to tell you that anyone can draw mandala, like anyone, like literally no, it doesn't matter if you're a boy or a girl or anyone, you can draw mandala, whoever you are. Art is art. There's no like restriction to it. So I'm going to show you how to draw a mandala step by step, every design. So if you want, take a book with you and a pen with you or any fine liner pen and start drawing with me so that it will be easy for you to follow up and draw with me. It's going to be step by step and you're going to love it and it's going to be very helpful for you guys. So now I'm taking this book. I've already mark the midpoint so that I draw a equal size circle so that it's not towards this side or this side, it's proper in the center. It's the rounder. So before using rounder, what I always do is take a newspaper and fold it into double and keep it behind the paper, because when we use the rounder it will create a point, a hole like this, and I don't want the hole to be marked in other pages as well. So I always keep this newspaper. Now with the rounder, I don't take any measurement like 3 cm or 2 cm or 5 cm. I randomly take the size I want, and I always like to keep my pencil sharp of the rounder because I want thin lines. While doing this, I'm making sure I'm applying less pressure over here. It's on you how many circles you want to make. You can take a D, you say D, or a protractor, or you can also buy a circle, full circle like this. Mark all the angles. So either you can mark all the angles or you can skip one, like alternate angles. I usually like to do all the angles. Now I'll be taking a scale. First, I always start with the lines, the horizontal and the vertical ones, and then I go on with the diagonal ones. mandala. If you were following with the video, I am sure you must have felt very easy. If you didn't try like that, give it a try like that, drawing with the video, so that it will be little easy for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this mandala drawing was helpful for you guys. It is a small mandala, but it is a detailed one. I really like this one. So if you guys try this one or you try any mandala, make sure to send those pictures to me in my mail or through my Instagram. I would love to see them or tag them so that I can give shout out to you guys. So that's it for the video. I hope it was informative and you liked it and had fun. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more mandala videos, and also press the bell icon and like this video, and I'll see you next time. Keep drawing.